in a Pip the Squirrel and the Wizard's Acorn Puzzle. Pip the Squirrel was in a pickle. He had a small bag of the shiniest acorns in the forest, but the bag was only 2/5 full. He wanted to share them with his friends by putting them into smaller pouches. Each pouch was big enough to hold 3/4 of a full bag. Pip chittered, scratching his furry head. My acorn bag is less than half full, and this empty pouch holds more than half a bag. I know, I can't fill a whole pouch for my friend. But how much of a pouch can I fill? Suddenly, with a poof of sparkling numbers and a smell like fresh chalk dust, a tall wizard appeared. His robes were covered in fractions, and his pointy hat had a division sign on the very tip. "Greetings, little squirrel," he boomed kindly. "I am the fraction wizard, and I sense a mathematical mystery." Pip quickly explained his acorn problem. The wizard nodded wisely. "Ah, you are asking a classic division question," he said, his eyes twinkling. "You want to know? How many 3/4 as are inside 2/5? In the language of math, we write that as 2/5 divided by 3/4. But dividing fractions sounds so hard, squeaked Pip. "Not with a little magic," the wizard chuckled. "The secret is, you don't really divide at all. You multiply by the reciprocal. It's a simple 3-step trick. Keep, change, flip. First, we keep the first fraction, 2/5, exactly as it is," the wizard explained, writing it in the air with his glowing finger. "Next, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And now for the magic flip. We flip the second fraction, 3/4, upside down. This is its reciprocal, 4/3. The numbers 3/4 magically tumbled over in the air. The new problem now read, 2/5 by 4/3. "Now it's an easy multiplication problem," the wizard declared. "We multiply the numbers on top, the numerators. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we multiply the numbers on the bottom, the denominators. 5 times 3 is 15. "The answer is 8/15, Pip said excitedly. "But what does that mean?" The wizard smiled. "It means you have enough acorns to fill exactly 8/15 of one of your pouches. You can't fill a whole one, but you can fill a very good portion of it." Pip carefully poured his acorns, and they filled the pouch just as the wizard had said. It was the perfect amount to share. "Thank you, Fraction Wizard," he called out. But the wizard was gone, leaving only the faint scent of chalk dust and the magic of knowing how to solve an acorn puzzle.